Hi guys, welcome back to Make Money with Kings YouTube channel. So right here on the screen is the withdrawal proof that one of my team made from this particular broker I'm going to be introducing to you guys in this video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free $100,000 funded account. Now this free $100,000 funded account is a competition account. Hold on, don't scroll away this video, right? The surprise is yet to come. Meanwhile, this competition account is very different from the competition account you've been meeting with, all right? I want you to note that it is very different. And the reason why I said so is because it's the reward is not going to be given to the top 5 and less. The rewards is going to be given to a lot of people who pass this competition account, and I believe in you. But before I proceed, I would like to say happy new month to you guys, and I wish you good luck in this new month. So to proceed, I will be explaining the terms and conditions you have to pay in order for you to be able to pass this competition account. I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your profit right here in this video, and I'll be showing you where exactly you are going to get the link to this website on the screen. All you have to do is to pay attention to what I will be showing you in this video. Without wasting too much of our time, make sure you like this video, and if you've gotten yours after watching this video, make sure you drop it in the comment section that I've gotten mine, so that the rest will know that this particular free funded account is very legit. So after that, the first step you have to take in order to get closer to your free $100,000 funded account is for you to click on the link in the description of this video, and the link will also be available for you in the comment section. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, and in there you'll be getting the link to this website directly. So once you've clicked on the link in my Telegram channel, this is where you'll be taken to. You'll be taken to an interface like this, as you can see right here on the screen, and the name of the broker that will be getting this $100,000 free funded account from is TT Market. A lot of people are already familiar with this TT Market. This TT Market gives free funded account every single month, and a lot of people are already prepared for it. All right, a lot of people in my Telegram community are already prepared for it, because a lot of people were able to withdraw the last time I posted this video, so they will be expecting to get the video again. Now once you've gotten to an interface like this, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you create a new account with them, since this is your first time of visiting their account. And if this is not the first time of visiting their account, you can also log in to join them, and I will show you how. So now, for those of you that this is your first time of coming across this particular broker, click on create account down here, and once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Make sure you enter the right name that is together with your NIN. And the reason I'm saying this is because when you want to withdraw, you will have to verify your account. You have to understand that, and it's a sign that this particular broker is very legit. All right, so make sure you enter your first name, your last name, your email address, available email address, the one that you can receive a code into. The second one is to select the country you are from, and the great news is that this particular competition account is available for everybody in the whole world. No matter the country you are from, you can be able to get this free funded account. All right, so enter a secured password and enter the password again. Make sure it has 8+ character, 1 uppercase, 1 number, and 1 symbol. Guys, I'm not talking too much. Make sure you watch this video to the very end. I am guiding you through step-by-step processes. If you miss any step, you forfeit your chance of getting this particular account. So once you're done, click on create account. Let me just do mine, and I'll get back to you shortly. So as you can see right here on my screen, after entering the necessary details, this is the message I got from them, which states that my account has been successfully created, and this is it, and I'm being told to sign in. So I'll be clicking on save above here for better login and faster login. So now the next thing for you to do in order for you to proceed is to enter your registered email address and your registered password. So let me just enter mine and I will click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you'll be taken to the next interface. So let's just do that right now. So immediately I entered my email address, my registered email address, and my password. This is where I've been brought to. So now this is where you have to pay full attention. This is where you don't have to miss out on any other thing. And in the middle of this video, I will be explaining the terms and condition. I will be explaining little out of it, and the rest will be posted in my Telegram channel. Alright, use the link in the description of this video or in the comment section to join my Telegram channel to get the full terms and condition. Alright, so now once you've got into an interface like this, the next thing for you to do, you can just scroll to everything. Okay, scroll to everything. So once you're done scrolling and going through the things that you want to go through, the next thing for you to do is for you to come down to this down, come down to this down, and once you've gotten there, just click on it and you'll be taken to an interface like this. And these are the payouts that a lot of people has gotten. And if you want to make a payout also, this is where you'll be making the payout after you've made a profit. You can just come here, enter the amount you want to withdraw, enter the amount right here, put in your wallet address and make the payment. All right, but now you can make a payment because there is no profit made yet. All right, so now just go back to where you're coming from. Just go back here. So come back to this place. So the next thing for you to do right now is for you to click on competition. Remember, I told you we are going for a competition account, but a different kind of competition account. All right, so just click on competitions. So once you've clicked on it, as you can see, the available and the live competition is July 2025, and the reason why they are bringing this out is because we came late. All right, we came late, so we'll be purchasing the one of July 2025 for free. We'll be getting it for free. You don't have to pay any money at all. The competition starts from July 3 to July 3rd to July 31st. As you can see, they are bringing out 2025, but the truth is it is 2026. Okay, I will show you how it is 2026 in this video. So now these are the terms and condition. These are the part of the terms and condition. As you can see, the daily drawdown is 4%, the max drawdown is 8%, funded account price, and this is it, 928 traders registered. All right, so now let me show you how to register. The account size you'll be getting is 100,000. Just like I said, you'll be getting a $100,000 account, and the trading period days is 29 days. You'll be trading for 29 days. Right, so now in order for you to get this account, just click on register. Once you've clicked on register, you'll be taken to an interface like this. All you have to do is to enter your phone number here, select the country you are from, select your experience level, whether you are a beginner, whether you are an intermediate, or whether you are already advanced, or whether you're a professional. So just select your own, click on understand, and click on submit application. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you to show you the things you have to know more. So now after the application was submitted successfully, as you can see, I have been registered. You know, it was just like play the other time when they said that it's only for July 2025. As you can see, we've already registered, and this is registration successful notification. Okay, so you also see something like this on your screen. And also now let me show you how you can actually start trading on this platform. This platform is so much easier than your MT5 trading platform. You can easily make profit and easily withdraw on this platform. So now I'll be showing you how you can actually start trading and how you can withdraw your profit immediately you are done trading on this platform. So stay with me, guys. So now the next thing for you to do in order for you to start trading is for you to click on view dashboard. I just want you to I want to make you go through some things right now. I want to make you go through some things. So these are the people who are on the competition board. All right, these are their profits. This is it. Okay, so now it's not a lot of people though. It's not a lot of people and it's not everybody. that way. Yeah, it's not a lot of people. Let me put it that way though. So now to start trading, just go back, click on go back to competition. All right. So once you've gotten to this interface, the next thing you have to do is to swipe to this side. Swipe, as you can see, swipe. I don't want you to be confused. So swipe to this side and click on trade now. So once you've clicked on trade now, you'll be taken to an interface like this, as you can see right here on the screen. You'll be taken to an interface like this, and your balance is not yet out. All you have to do is to click on register above, click on login above. As you can see, this is the login. So just click on login right here. So once you've clicked on login, enter your registered email and your registered password. So once you've entered it, just click on sign in. Immediately you clicked on sign in, you'll be taken in to where you are going to be trading. You'll be taken into where you're going to be trading. As you can see, this is our account and this is our money. This is our funded account that we'll be using to trade. So right now the market is closed, but let me see, the market is closed though. Let me see the currency pair you can trade. These are the currency pair that you can trade. Let me show you. So you can just come here to pick any currency pair of your choice. There is gold here, there is USD, there is euros. You can just pick any one of your choice, and this is where you'll be seeing your open position, your history, and all of that. This is where you're going to be seeing your balance. Let me take a screenshot for the people in my Telegram channel. There is a lot of benefits that you'll be getting in my Telegram channel. Don't forget to join so that you won't miss out. So you can just analyze. As you can see, it's more easy. You see the trend right now is downtrend, so it's more easy to predict the market and trade on this platform. So now let me show you how to withdraw after you've made your profit. Let's go back. So go back to the dashboard. Go back to the dashboard. All right, let's leave here. Let's leave here quickly. So once you've gotten to the dashboard, all right, so this is not the dashboard. So once you've gotten to the dashboard, this is the dashboard right here. Why are they bringing us back here? Hold on. So this is the dashboard. All right, this is the dashboard here, the dashboard for the competition. You'll be seeing your profit target right here. You'll be seeing your profit target, and as far as you've obeyed their terms and conditions, you will see it right here. There will always be a blue sign. This is stage 1. There will always be a blue sign for you once you've obeyed their terms and conditions. All right, so now let me show you how to withdraw from this platform once you're done. So like I said earlier, this is the interface where you'll be withdrawing from. This is where you'll be entering your TRS address. Immediately you are done trading, this interface will be clickable. Right now it's not clickable. Immediately you've made your profit, it will be clickable. As you can see, this is it. You've not made any profit yet. That is why it is bringing out this red icon. You've not made any profit. So immediately you've made the profit and you've obeyed the terms and conditions, you will be able to withdraw. All right guys, if you've gotten yours, let me know in the comment section. Peace out guys. I love you all. I wish you good luck in this new month and on your trade. Bye. Don't miss me.